We're here today with This or That Sports TV's Man of the Match. Forbes, first of all, good game today. Speak to me about your individual performance first and foremost.
Uh, I played well, but as you can see, we give up a easy goal that we shouldn't have give up.
Alright, so coming into this game, a big game against Georgia. Georgia have been the favourites. How do you feel you guys put yourself together and came out and performed into this game?
We perform well, but the man them just to score them chance.
And your game, we've given you the man of the match. We think you're a rock at the back and you've been one of the best defenders all season. Speak to me about your individual performance. How do you think you played today?
I played well. I played well.
And what can we expect from you in the final game of the group coming up?
Got training, perform, just work harder, and come out, come show.
Alright, good game, baller.